crossing.
Duck crossing.
Crossing. Speed bump pa yung
This one, our service.
Pakita mamaya, it's a Tesla.
Ha?
Tesla to.
Saan?
Ito sa harap.
We'll check out our service here in Malarayat. Pucha, Tesla wala to. Kaya palakas ng hatak.
Dalawa to eh, nalagyan ko ng Tesla.
Yung isa,
Tesla din.
Tesla.
Tesla din. Pero bumili ako.
Ito yung van. Father ng Tesla.
Oo.
Golf cart.
Golf cart. Dito nag-umpisa si Tesla. Uy, there's a magical golf. What's this?
Tournament yun.
Ayan. Oh. June 13. June 13, tapos swing June 13 at saka June 20. Oh, okay. Dalawa.
Swing for a cause.
Okay.
Magical golf.
Oh, indoor shooting range. Meron din dito. Nakita mo?
Hindi ko nakikod eh.
Golf course. Golf course with a shooting range.
Ng barel?
Oh,
What the?
hindi lang natin dala yung baril natin.
Wala akong dalang baril. O nga no. Now open. First indoor shooting range in the city. Malarayat. Wala tayong seatbelt dito sa Tesla na to ah.
Kaya nga lahat ng ibang kaibigan kong golfers. Sabi niya, puta kahit golf car mo, Tesla. Oh, electric eh.
Kanina malakas ang ulan eh.
Sabi, kaya mabilis na tayo, sobrang init.
Oo. Ngayon wala nang ulan. Kaya malamig na uli.
Bumabaha kanina.
Bumaba, na traffic kami. Kasi yung isang kotse ayaw mag-sumong.
Takot sa tubig. There's the golf club.
Ha? Dito na lang park? Ayan, makita nyo ulit yung Tesla. Oh, C8.
Anong model yun?
C8. C8 Corvette.
Sino dito? Nasa
Say hi to YouTube.
Hi YouTube. Welcome to Malarayat.
Oh, bawal. Bawal. Bawal.
I hope they did this. Ano? Golf range.
Ano? Yung?
Range.
Ah, ito. So this is the gun range at Malarayat.
Yung... Tapos paano sa ano?
Say hello, ate,
Hello po.
sa YouTube.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hello po.
History na si ate. April eh. June na ngayon.
Oo.
April siya eh.
Ha?
April siya.
Oo nga, no?
Oo nga.
Hindi pala.
Okay, ikot ka dyan mo.
Ha? Sige.
That's the tree inside the, that's the tree inside the building. So they did not cut the tree.
Oh, galing. Christmas na pala
They
eh.
built around the tree. Oo nga. And look at the crocodile.
Yeah. And the horse. There's the golf course. And more Teslas. Hello.
Hello po.
Okay, we're on our way back to the Tesla.
Tesla's great grandfather. Tayo sa golf course na lang tayo kumuha.
Ang lakas ng torque talaga nito, no?
Naririnig mo pa yung tunog.
Oo nga.
Sobrang lakas.
Saan na tayo ngayon?
We're inside, going to the golf course.
Golf course.
This is the driving range.
A roller coaster. Oh, there's some more Teslas over there. Hindi ba yun?
Yamaha.
Ito, ano yan? Restaurant.
Korean restaurant.
Korean restaurant. Katsu Kimchi. There's some Koreans there. That's why it's called Korean restaurant.
And that's Mount Malaurayan.
Oh, Mount Malaurayan.
Yeah.
Over there.
From afar. That's Mount Malaurayan.
And this is the Al volcano down here. Mabuang-buang na kami.
So, there are two courses here. The Mount Malipunyo course and the Lobo course.
Lobo course.
All
right.
So we'll go here. Labas tayo.
Oh shit.
There's the mango tree with a lot of
Mangoes.
mangoes, of course. Hindi naman pwede mango tree with a lot of apples.
A mango tree with lots of coconut.
Trivia, this grass was imported
From
from
Africa.
Africa. Alam mo?
Mukhang Africa eh.
Ito po, Africa. Important. Just to give color to the golf course. Different color. Kasi green, tapos yung medyo.
Che, giniganaw na ako ah. Nakaon ba yung aircon mo?
Naka-on. Air continuous. This is what you call air continuous.
And this tree was imported from Alabang. Oh shit, that coconut.
Yeah. From the coconut tree, of course. We will be going off-road for a while so that we can transfer to another
Off-road. This is also a off-road?
Yeah, Tesla off-road.
Wow. Sa tayo tataan.
See, it's a pedestrian-made Tesla.
Wow! Whoa! This is
It's an off-road Tesla.
so this is also the father of the Cybertruck.
Oh, yeah. This is the father of the Cybertruck.
Okay.
Back to Tesla Y. Look at the mangoes, very small.
Oh yeah. There's a lot of mangoes from the mango tree.
That's what you call soup-souping.
Soup-souping.
Yeah, because it's small, you just make soup. Totoo! Ang tawag doon soup-souping. Kasi maliliit.
Okay.
We have to go within the speed limit.
Oh yeah. 40 kph. Slow down.
See, speed humps.
Some more mango tree. Oh, bigger mangoes here. That's not soup-souping anymore.
That's the regular mango.
Yeah.
That's the fire tree, which is not burning.
Currently not burning because it just rained.
Yeah.
Some more fire trees over there.
Yes. Actually, they say that what's this? They named the fire truck wrongly because there's no fire in the truck. It should be called water truck.
Water truck. Just like the fire tree.
That's like the fire truck.
Okay. There's Kuya.
Will pass by the back door.
Right. And there's some coconut trees with coconuts. Not mango.
We have some pine trees also here.
Pine trees?
Yes.
Wow.
Without pines.
Amazing.
So we'll pass by the back door. Go through the golf course.
Okay. We're back here. Somewhere.
Hole number 5, Mount Makulot.
Alright. There's a coconut over there.
There's another coconut that fell from the coconut tree.
3 coconuts here. There's one more over there.
Oh, dami.
One more coconut. This
Coconut on the road.
Yeah, road hazard from the coconut. It's a roadkill.
Roadkill.
Roadkill coconut.
Roadkill coconut. If you run over it, it will become fruit salad.
Fruit salad. Laki ng puno.
Kasha. Another mango tree with a lot of mangoes.
Oh yeah. Right now it's
6:05.
6:05, 6:06. Yeah. In the evening, not in the morning.
So we're going to a zigzag road.
Yeah. Oh no, the coconut fell.
Ano? That was because there was a typhoon last week.
Oh.
Last weekend.
Great greenery from the greens.
So we passed by the back of the house.
Okay. Gonna pass by the back of the house.
There's the back.
Oh, there's the back of the house.
See?
Ah, nice. Right by the golf course. Here's the course.
Where's the golf?
Somewhere. Tapos hindi pala naka-record. Oh.
Parang si Louie.
Oh, yung birthday.
Hindi!
Ano?
Engagement ni,
Oh, ni Joey.
Joey. Sa tagal
Patay.
Hindi niya napindot. Oh, there's a coconut without the leaves because of the
Oh, yeah.
typhoon.
The stump coconut. Mahihilo na naman yung mga viewers ko nito.
Maganda sa'yo, marami kang tawag nito, subject matter.
Oo, walang pakialam.
Maganda nga yun.
Oo. It's a nice house. So somebody's following us. It's a BMW. And a Toyota.
Tasa ng pine tree ito.
And this is the front of the house.
The front of the back of the house earlier. And that's the Baxter coming in.
Oh, we'll wait for the Boxster. No, wait here. We'll wait for the Boxster. The Boxster is so fast. Here we go. Ooh. Nice. The Boxster still looks good. That's a
Basar! Basar!
the front of the house. Whoa! Ganda ng tunog ah.
The Lucky Baxter. The
Whoa!
Lucky Bastard. The Lucky Baxter. I won that in the raffle.
Yeah. Edwin won that in the raffle. The Valentine raffle.
Yes.
Valentine whiskey. Whiskey ba yun?
Valentine's Scotch.
Dito na?
Nice. Ganda. tawag yan? Landscape.
Yeah. And the other side.
And this is Chinoy.
Chinoy, di ba dati dito side na kasi naarawan?
Palawan.
Say hi to Chinoy. He greets every visitors here. Used to be a pond.
Still a pond.
Still a pond.
Very.
Yes.
Paano ba po yung ano?
Ha?
Viewers ba yan? Subscribers?
Oo.
Sa YouTube? Ano ba dapat? Viewers, subscribers? Or
May viewers, merong subscribers.
anong difference?
Yung viewers, nag-view lang, hindi sila nag-subscribe.
Oo nga. Kailan ka nagkakapera?
Pag may view.
A view, hindi,
Oo.
hindi subscribe.
Hindi, by
Oh,
view.
shoot.
So, every time they view, they have commercial.
Alright.
So, if they don't view it, no commercial.
That's cool.
Let's go through the back. So, you guys seen the back, and this is the inside. And this is shooting out from behind towards the back. Oh. And you can see the golf course over there. Okay.
Sana nakita nila yung mga kahoy.
Kahoy ng?
Yung mga, nakita mo na yung dati. Diba?
Yung oo. Ayan, nakatakip yung kahoy. Meron diyang malaking kahoy na
Oo.
na silya.
Sige. Nakuna mo ba dati?
Picture. Picture lang. Okay, we're gonna stop this video.
And then,
Say hi to YouTube. Bakit? Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna. Huh? I got my shoes on.
lagay natin ito.
Ha?
Ay, siguro ba yan?
한표 로조오면 투표 영자한테 미안하지만 F는
Okay, bye bye YouTube. Say bye bye.